Hey guys, so today's video is going to be the best places to have your home stable in SSO. So first is if you're a YouTuber or something,
You might want it in Moreland.
Moreland or Fort Pinta. So if your fans just started Star Stable and they want to see you, want to make sure everybody can come to you. So my home stable is in Moreland. The next place is Fort Pinta, which if you guys don't know what's up there, I'm not going to run them here.
Also,
The next place, I'm just going to name them South Hope Peninsula. I think it's really pretty there. And Hillcrest Stables.
I think
Mistfall.
Silverglade Manor's are
Yeah.
New Hillcrest is a really good place.
Yeah, Valdale, Fir Grove, Silverglade Manor. I wouldn't do Steel
Mine is
Farm.
in Silverglade right now. I think I really like it because it's really good for main quests with the Soul Riders because they're usually there.
Yeah.
So I just call for a pickup.
The next, well, here, Jorvik Stables is really good. I would also really like if Star Stable would make Paddock Island a home stable.
Yeah, it's just really tiny.
Yeah, but it would just be nice if they expanded it a bit. But yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching.
Why is there two of the same person?
I don't know. And I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. Bye-bye.